Let's go motorbike shopping. We are in Milton Keynes. There's the old Harley. Yeah, so we just ridden all the way from Milton Keynes, to Milton Keynes from Windsor. It's about an hour and a half because I took all the back roads through the country lanes, and pretty good. So this place, Superbike Factory, has the 4 bikes that are in contention for me. Ducati Desert Sled, Scrambler Desert Sled, the Triumph Scrambler 1200, the Triumph Scrambler 900, the BMW R9T Scrambler or GS Urban. Anyway, so we're going to go in and we're going to just have a little look. I don't think I'll be able to test ride anything, but let's go in and just sort of sit on them, have a look, see what they got. Wow. Oh, I'm in heaven already. They got the Mutts. Wow, the new Mutts look good. These are air cooled now. Wow, they look really chunky. My goodness. Yeah, this isn't Superbike Factory, this is Superbike Heaven. Oh god, 690. I love these. These are 690s. Oh god, I am in heaven. And I love these. Oh my god, I really shouldn't have come here. Oh Jesus, this is too much. Okay, so this is all the scramblers here, 1200s. And there is the pitted engine case. Triumph scramblers. Christ, they're all beautiful. Oh. There's the 900. Urban GS. Oh my god. I honestly thought this was going to make things easier. It's actually made things harder. Look at these. I love these. These are the, look at these R9T RS. Absolutely stunning. I really thought this was going to make things easier. It really hasn't. And then you've got the GS over here. Absolutely love these. Looks like it's had a hard life, that one. Alright, help me out here. What do you think? Any answers down below in the comments. One of these. One of these. This. Little bikes over here. There's the old Suzuki Van. Nice little yellow Mutt here as well. Little monkey bike. And a Grom. Grom. Oh god. Look at this looks great. Jesus, super Tenere 700. Looks like it's just been used and abused. Oh, this is just too difficult. Absolutely insane amount of amazing Indian. Look at that. Amazing bikes everywhere. Big Triumph, Rocket 3, old school. Fuck, I love these as well, the Thruxton R's. Oh man, this is just insane. It's like being in the best little whorehouse in Texas, you know, you don't know what to choose. Something like this. This is just too difficult. I think it's got to be one of these. I honestly think it's going to be this. Well, after looking at everything, I think it really is going to be the Scrambler, the Triumph Scrambler 1200. This one, like this, in green. I think that's going to be the next one. Now, I took one for a little spin not so long ago, and yeah, they got so much pull on them. It's just like the Harley, you know, it just pulls, straight line, pull. Yeah, and it's capable off-road as well. Once you change the tyres out, get some chunky tyres on it. I think it is going to be the 1200 Scrambler from Triumph. Because you can use that as an adventure bike as well, like a retro adventure bike. I think that's the one. What do you think? Do you think that's the right choice? More exotic stuff over here. So you've got all the expensive Ducatis and the MV Augustas. The line of Ducatis. Yeah, I think my Ducati sports bike days are over. Long gone. Well, that really didn't help, but I mean, it's very confusing when you're faced with that many bikes and they're all quite something. But I think, yeah, it's going to be the 1200 Scrambler from Triumph. I think that's the way forward. Like I say, let me know what you think. Tricky one. But yeah, can't get rid of this little beauty. That's for sure. It's just too sweet.